Hey everybody, Gina DeLuca here. Okay, continuing with the all metallics theme, I'm going to do a flip cup with metallic purple, Artist Loft, these are all Artist Loft paints, metallic purple, metallic black, metallic white, silver, and old gold. I have paints mixed 2 parts Floetrol to 1 part paint, and I have added 2 drops of the Spot On Treadmill oil. Okay, so let's get our flip cup prepared. I have some of this blaster silicone. Shake it up well. I'm going to spray it in the cup away from my canvas. And then just give it a light wipe. It's kind of like greasing your baking pan. You don't want it pulling up in the bottom, you just want a nice coat. These are mixed 2 parts paint, 1 part Floetrol. I think there is still probably a little bit of the Deco Art pouring medium. But just a touch. So I did black, silver, do the purple. Gold. These paints are a little bit thick, I think, from that Deco Art medium. That stuff does thicken up quite a bit. And then white. I tend to like patches of color and cells. If you want this to be more intermixed, then I would do more layers. Smaller layers, but more of them. And before I forget, let me put in my little X. Okay. As you can see, I already have a mess going because I've already been painting. Okay. Let's lay down a little bit of a base coat. This is just Artist Loft black, regular black. Using a metallic for a base coat doesn't always work out very well. The metallics are so thick that what happens is it pushes back against the paint that you are tilting. So if you must have a metallic background, I would mix it with another color. Sometimes I mix white and gold together, and that gives me a nice consistency, particularly when I am going for a straight pour, which is a very thin consistency, and it's too thin for the white. So mixing the gold with the white really helps to give me a good consistency. And it also makes a nice creamy color. Okay, so now I will let this sit for a moment. Let the paint pull away from the cup. So here's a note. If you are doing a flip cup, you want to make sure that your cup, your flip cup, is an appropriate size. So this canvas would need like 3.5, 4 ounces of paint. This is a 3-ounce cup, but I've allowed for negative space. If you were to use this size cup and put 3 ounces or 4 ounces of paint in it, when you flip it, as it runs down the sides, it's already mixing. So by the time it gets to your canvas, you've made mud. And that's why you may not be getting cells, you're getting paints that are just mixed. You need layers of paint. So I try to use a cup that is as close to the size as I could possibly need. So when I lift this, it's just layers of paint that flow out. All right, let's do it. Nice cell action already. Let's give it some torch. Another thing for getting cells, be patient. Give your paints a chance to come to the top when you torch it. All right. Well, might as well start here. We're already over here. Recenter your paint before changing directions. This will help you keep your cells. Again, recentering the paint before changing direction. Oh, that is a lot of silver. Okay, well here it is. Not my favorite, but not heinous. It's a lot of silver that really took over. But it looks like more cells are popping up, so it may change. Anywho, that was part 2 of the August Go Make Some Art Acrylic Pouring Challenge, which is all metallics. So give it a shot. Post your pics and Go Make Some Art on Facebook. We'd love to see what you do. Please like and share and subscribe and all that good stuff. And I hope you have a beautiful day. And go make some art.